Helping someone becoming self-sufficient is the highest form of gratification, and that is the fundamental objective behind She Jobs. So She Jobs is a women exclusive workforce job portal. In the beginning, this was just started as a WhatsApp group where we had women who were looking for their suitable positions. I quickly realized with the growing numbers, there is a need of a global platform where we bring employers and job seekers to one stage and help these women to find their dream job. Women are often required to take a step back on their career due to family obligations or over-demanding schedules or having a special needs child. But given an opportunity, these women can balance their work and personal life in a perfect harmony, but all they need is a suitable opportunity. In fact, all these women are highly educated, highly motivated, and they are from reputed universities. We have done gap analysis in the job market, and we have observed there is a global trend of declining workforce percentages for women. There are a lot of companies and employers who are trying to reach their diversity metrics and trying to include women workforce into their organizations. But I sincerely request employers to have more focused approach on all kinds of women, underrepresented minorities, LGBTQ, transgenders, and women who have special needs children, veterans, single women, and kind of pregnancy sabbaticals, and everybody. Given the pandemic, there is going to be a major reorg happening in the workforce and job market. So I think this is the perfect time for us to launch the focused portal She Jobs, which is exclusive for women. Given that work from home and flexi options have become new normal, women and several minorities can win their share and can work confident with a lot of flexibility around. We are trying to bring all kinds of jobs into She Jobs portal, so women from various categories and various fields can find their dream job. Not only jobs, but the vision for She Jobs is to turn into a community for women where they can find programs to educate themselves and reskilling programs, interview preparations, and many more. Also, any women entrepreneurs can approach us, and if they want to showcase their innovations or discoveries through She Jobs, we welcome them. We welcome every woman to come and register their profile into She Jobs and find their suitable job. Thank you.